Hey there, I'm Jesse.
And I'm Addy, and we are at our latest social savvy listing here in Ile De Chenes at unit D3-477 Meadowlark Blvd. And we're going to talk to you about why you are going to absolutely love it.
The moment you pull up to this main floor unit, you gotta take note of the covered patio area. Get the barbecue going, you got a little extra space for storage, but then you come through this front door and you are welcomed by an open, stylish, and modern layout. The things that I love, first of all, this huge island and open kitchen overlooking the main living room area. Fantastic for entertaining and even daily living. Plus, this unit comes with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and in-suite laundry and has AC and a walk-in pantry. Really, the list goes on.
It's awesome.
Now, why don't you tell us a little bit more about where it's located?
Location of Ile De Chenes is absolutely fantastic. It's a bedroom community, super tight-knit community. Every necessity you have here, from grocery stores to restaurants to shops, they are all here. Plus, you're only 8 minutes to the perimeter highway, so if you need some stuff in the city, you are super close. It's awesome.
Seriously, it really is. So if you are a first-time home buyer, or you're in a transition through the chapters of your life and you need your own space, or maybe you have some young kids, this is a great space. I could actually just imagine some newlyweds calling this their first home because the price point is also a double thumbs up.
100%.
And if you want more details, where do they gotta go?
Right here.
Boom! There's the site. Check it out. All the details are there for you to make your buying decision super, super easy. So once again, I'm Jesse.
I'm Addy.
Thank you so much for checking out our latest social savvy listing out here in Ile De Chenes. And you know the drill.
Right.
Stay social.